Hi, this is Steve Powell of Delta Systems. I wanted to shoot a quick video here to show you how to make custom YouTube thumbnails. This is a recent addition here in late 2012 to YouTube that allows normal YouTube users to now upload a custom thumbnail. Previously, this was only allowed by Vimeo and a couple other video uploading solutions, but YouTube has recently added this option. I was Googling around and tried to find, what's the best dimensions, how to do this, and I didn't really find a good answer until I actually hovered over to this thing that said maximum file size is 2 megabytes, and then they actually give you a pretty good suggestion to use 1280 by 720, what formats to use, and that you need to abide by the guidelines, no nudity, racy content, that kind of stuff. But when you Google around, you actually end up in their help. It says, what are the best dimensions? And then it said here, what is it? We recommend uploading a custom thumbnail of a minimum width of 640 pixels. You should upload the image at the largest possible 16 by 9 resolution while remaining under the 2 megabyte limit. What? That doesn't make any sense to normal people. So I thought I'd go in and explain it a little better. So in this video, you could see that we recorded a training video here, and it caught it mathematically. I'm not going to say it's random, but there's a lot of guesses on how these thumbnails are pulled out of YouTube. If it's 10% of the way into a video, depending on how long it is. Other people have said it's 30 seconds into the video or 9 seconds into the video, and all of these things. But I don't really care, frankly, because now I can actually upload a custom thumbnail and do that. So there's several different ways to make your own graphic. Obviously, you can start Microsoft Paint and create an image. I created one a little while ago. That was if you go into Paint and you resize the canvas to a specific size, 1280 by, if you uncheck maintain aspect ratio, and 1280 by 720. Okay, now you get a canvas. Yeah, that's that big. And then if you wanted to add images and graphics and all of that, this is what the thumbnail is going to look like when you create it. So I've already got one created, so I've got it again 1280 by 720 graphic, so I'm going to upload that as this custom thumbnail here. I suggest you create one, and then you could keep reusing it if you have several different videos on your canvas to do. Some people choose to use PowerPoint. I actually used PowerPoint to create this one because I was using it as the title of this video, because it's really easy to hit F5 and just have it take over the whole screen like that, and then you can actually screenshot that by hitting print screen and then editing the image there. So let me switch back and actually hop in and grab that custom thumbnail that I made a little earlier. Custom thumbnail, oops, and go in and grab that. So I'm going to go out and grab custom thumbnail. I think I called it thumbnail example. Open that file, and then it's going to upload that right here. You can see it uploading. You can cancel that, and there you go. It's automatically chosen that as your thumbnail. You do need to save these changes. As you may notice on other areas when you're updating content, it does save it automatically, but this thumbnail it does not. So you have to click Save Changes here, and once it does that, it's actually going to change this thumbnail over here. It does not do that automatically or instantly, I guess I should say. It will take a little time, or however long it takes YouTube to process that. So keep an eye on that. Just go out and watch the video again. When you see that thumbnail pop up, you'll obviously know that it took effect. So you may want to accommodate for the giant red button that appears in the middle of the screen here. I did not, so my little image will not look very good with this behind that little arrow playing. However, I don't really care, because on the player that we're using, the big red button is not in the middle, so it's not as important for that. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're creating the video, and then you'll know exactly how you need to lay out your thumbnail image to make that look best. So anyway, hope that helps. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. We're at justcalldelta.com. Thanks.